FPV damages? No. There are waterproof accessories. We will use them to build a waterproof FPV. Darwin FPV waterproof motors. Waterproof ESC provides strong power for the drone. Waterproof flight control. Stable operation even in any environment. Waterproof VTX allows you to capture amazing images. Waterproof receiver. Now we start to assemble the 3.5-inch sunroof. Welding capacitor. Power cord. Welding motor wires. Welding flight control cable. Welding GPS. Welding receiver. Welding VTX line. Waterproof the weld. Installation the protective guard. Install the bottom plate. Install the waterproof Force Pro. Install the float. The waterproof FPV drone is finished. Witness the moment of wonder. It moves freely through the water. Fly like a duck to water. Performance is not affected at all. What are you waiting for? Come and order Darwin FPV waterproof accessories. DIY belongs to your waterproof FPV drones. Start a new travel experience.